brother said he won't smoke, y'all. No. No, yo, play. Oh, boy. I'm an instigator, y'all. I'm an instigator, man. Y'all go follow my boy, y'all. Bro, over the video, talk to man, said he won't smoke. But yeah, man, we got that shootout. August 11th, man. So you want to call somebody out, man, call them out. This is the time right here. This is the time to call anybody out. Line up with them, bro. This is the time. And boy said he'll race a 5.7 though. No cap.
Tap in with the merch, moves and nephews, tap in with Humble Kid members. You know?
You guys talking about Humble Kid members, man. I got a shirt on, man. He got mine on, so we promoting today. Y'all see what's going on. But yeah.
Me, I want what's coming.
Okay. Oh look, I got a feeling he about to do something. Let me get out. I got a feeling he about to do something. I got a feeling. I knew it. Look at bro. Yeah, just made it. Just came by the shop. Yeah. I've been waiting to see this in person. Woo! Look at him. I've been waiting to see this, yo. And they got the music on it. Huh? Good. Been waiting to see it. What up, brother? How you doing? Hey. What's going on, brother? Hey. I told y'all the boy gonna pull up. They definitely gonna pull up on me. 9500 cord, bro. This a name? This is a Honda cord, bro. Just cut it all the way down. That's what it is. Honda cord, bro. Look at it. Real trying to tell you. All night, y'all about to pull up on me. I told y'all they gonna pull up. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get this camera right. Told y'all pull up on me.
Playground, we gone, 85 northbound. Yes, sir, it's me go business. Fight to feel like tennis. Woke up the trenches, moving the tennis, I still dropping niggas. It's a handout 50s. I stack it up, double up spinach. When the rest too skinny, I can make some squeeze and millions. When the rest too skinny, I can make some squeeze and millions. When the rest too skinny.
I'm gonna show y'all this right here. I'm getting up out of here.
I can make some squeeze and millions. When the rest too skinny, I can make some squeeze and millions. Walk out of school, get down the door, bust it down with fools. Mama the dinner to practice for lures. I said I'm expecting no go back and forth. I got a stick, big pay down the horse. Basketball season look red like a course. We get you spit, get you put in the morning. Big body matching with basketball courts. Kinda hard, my thumb was soft. Just look at the bitch in the score.
Pull up with that for life, bag in my drawer. I'm pulling
Political talk, Dragos and Max, we ready for war.
we spend every day with them cut up machete. I spend little letters, he sent to the medics. My money come steady, somebody die on the way I can get it. I heard your money was shit. You know the bird worth hundreds of millions. They took out the top and I took out my credit. Cash in the bar, I got more than $1 million. Things in the bank, I don't care about the game. With the game, we started, we drill. Fuck it, we crash, we finish. I'm on my back and I'm going when the rest too skinny. I can make some squeeze and millions. When the rest too skinny, I can make some squeeze and millions. When the rest too skinny, I can make some squeeze and millions. When the rest
Got some new jewels, he's flexing his ice. Praying to God he don't die in it. Let me take him back to the. I feel shit, bitch. Oh, God. Don't call me slut, I am not your sister. I will fuck your man. I know how to throw that ass, and the bitch can throw. Yeah, that sounds like a joke. I did.
On that truck, y'all sit down there.
Real big speed, shout out to my bitch. I was penitentiary, right? Streets, I do my shit. I go really deep. Damn, why they come on that? I'm a real big speed. So remember me, I'm a robber. I come in, two in a hop in. He come in the game, but he not in it. If I get back out with the fire, he told you to rap with a
Regular time, some others don't cause you a girl, and it's a beat that's been beside me. God forbid if somebody tell me I'm turning this shit to a concert. Love to see it, can put it to kids, and let it go in the arsenal. Ain't no jumping and switching the side, and none of the same, the bell ring. Playing on dummy just cause I'm a girl, cause you never seen what I seen. I walk in the beat with my gun out. You don't know what I know, ain't seen what I seen, what the fuck they be talking about. Damn, she stick out the bag and went on this bitch to Glock out. I pulled the infinite out of my drawers, she thought I was pulling my cock out. If you touch me, I tell your ass a new station. I'm off to you.
What's going on with the Herbo? What's stupid?
Everybody get me, eh?
Hey, move your car with the rock. I messed up then. I ain't even had a record button on. Messed up bad.
Yo.
So what you gonna do? Supposed to be mad. Supposed to be mad. If I was here, I'd be mad. Herbo do all them donuts on me. Okay, get busy then. Get busy. Get busy. Don't let Herbo do you like that. Herbo. Football want to get toe up, then get on camera. Talk shit to the boy then.
I mean,
Yep. Yeah. Bro, I got that shit hard though. The truck ready. Hey yo, might have to come with some different promoting, bro. That shit hard too. I wouldn't mind having one of them, bro. Right, different color, hell yeah. You feel me?
Swing the wheel. Swing the wheel. Swing the wheel. Swing the wheel.
Bro, well, put him a light in the car. What that light hanging for? Oh, you playing with that too? You come along now. Put him a little blue light in his car.
I would take it out. I got my one too when my green was gone. They ain't gonna do it unless I open my door.
Yeah, bro, want to put him a light in his car.
They pull up on 6 in that week.
6 in that week. Yeah, keep taking her wheels off, y'all.
I just keep teasing them.
Keep playing with the folks. That video went up too.
Yeah, it did. Where did that come on?
Huh? You don't want to count on your face, bro. He said he gonna get in this shootout. Bro said he in the what he said 5-3 then in the 5-3.
Shut up, bro.
In the 5-3 get it. He said he ain't got no tie. The boy told when you rolling on, he ain't got no tie. Them boys stupid. In the 5-3, right? Yeah, bro said in the 5-3 could get it. I mean 5-3. God, no, bro went crazy. Bro said I meant in the 5-7, not 5-3. Bro, look, bro put dust everywhere. Look at him. The boy nasty in there.
Yeah, ask me for how I know.
How you know?
Experience.
Come on, bro. You hell with experience. You go through a lot, my man.
Go through a lot.
Ross went everywhere. He got me. Yep. I'm gonna call him. He done bust my window.
Whoa, bro.
I keep a bus with him. Bro, shit done went dead.
I done spin it over.
He said spin it over.
I done left my lights on that wall. Cause them shit says loose, bro. So spin that shit over. They tight now. They tight now.
He ain't got nothing. He gonna need a job.
I ain't cut my call no more. The lights dim.
Yeah, they are dim.
I got some. Back, I think.
Bro, good man, bro. Said he'll pull up to you any with no question.
And you my brother, ain't.
I know. I'm tired of jumping the car. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired of jumping the car. I told him, man, get a battery, bro. He get a battery, we won't keep going through this. No, he need to get the switch done. He get the switch done, then get the battery. Dude, crazy, man. I hate to say I stole this little guy. So what I'm gonna say, I took this little fella. But it's a fan. I took it from the motorcycle party, man, and I've been using this fan ever since. Hey bro, I've been using this fan, ain't it?
Oh, no.
I took it from the party.
Yeah, we found it on the floor of the party.
Oh. Come on now.
It's burning, bro.
There you go, your light is bright now. Huh?
Okay, I'll hold it up. Go ahead and start it up. Hey, bro, that bullshit ass clipper. What I'm saying?
Huh?
Jump cable.
That bit burnt me, bro.
Come on
3rd-degree
now.
burn.
3rd degree.
Put some fan on it.
Spark one time.
How I feel? No, your light bright.
This thing's about to burn in half.
Oh yeah, them.
Try now.
Try now.
There's some jumpy cables.
Try now. Hang on, I got you. Hang on.
He said, damn, hold on, I got you. Right. Okay. It just started.
Got to put some juice to it. Can't let that alternator work. It's probably that too, though.
You just need to get a new alternator, a new battery.
Talking about if your shit work.
Come on, bro, what you jumping for?
I ain't living right. You heard that motor run.
Come on now.
I ain't living right, bro.
Alright, the light's still bright. Let's try it again. She had a little bit more to it.
Hey, bro, where your jumper cables at? Put your jumper cables on with his too.
These
Yo, mine's right there.
Yo, them yours.
These
Oh yeah.
bitches is getting hot. Let me see if I can.
Throw them joints away.
Yeah, leave them right there, bro.
Nah, you might need them one day.
Hey, bro,
They
give me your
messed up,
jump
ain't it? What my? I got.
Don't splice them back together because the handles are coming apart. So the wires fall.
Yeah, you can fix them.
That shit right here, bro, that shit keep getting hot.
Ah,
So it's like,
you can put Doug fix that.
I stole these from,
Nah,
Dad gave me
them.
these.
Nah, I gave you them. Line again.
I'm gonna get, Dad that door last one.
You got any kind of fucking tools on you?
Huh?
You got any kind of tools on you? A wrench or anything?
I got a whole
Bro,
door.
I'll take my battery out, start your car. Your shit'll run off the alternator for me to take my battery back out, put it back in my car. Your shit's run, put your battery back in.
Damn! It ain't nothing but a thing, bro.
Hold on, I might got some jumper cable. Hold on, bro.
I mean, shit, your battery's already loose.
Hey, hit it.
So damn, that bitch got a little weight too. Yeah.
I'm weak at it, bro. Hey, bro, that junk got juice.
Motherfucker, I heard it over here jiggling. Say it got juice.
That shit on the battery.
Don't work like that, bro.
Man, my joint is dead, bro.
All right, go start your car.
Go start it. Hurry up. You move too slow.
Bro, hell. I bet you just starting now on a bitch nigga like Talik.
Oh,
Tore down, my bad, Joe.
he used his battery, started up, took his battery off. That's all he done. Took your battery out,
Yeah,
used
they
his.
cut my radio on.
Come on now.
I'm gonna get that tube from him, though. I'm gonna pay all them tubes.
That man your tools.
What?
Who tool that is?
My sister bought me them for my birthday.
Oh, bro, lie. You stole them joints from my daddy.
Oh, no.
Dude, lie bad, y'all. You too, the man lying bad. Yeah, I stole them too from my daddy.
I would suggest a new set of cables though.
Little truck about to mess up, eh? Look at my boy. Look at my boy over there. What he doing? Truck about to, oh no, he good. I thought he about to mess up over there.
What do you mean by ranching?
Yeah. What's up, my dad too?
Man, chill out. Let me see.
Door last.
Appreciate it, brother. You know it, bro.
That one was throwing with one crank. Huh? Let me pull it. What's going on, bro? What's up with you? Bless, bro.
Goddamn, Sam all on the curve, man.
Yeah, Sam on the curve. Ooh, Sam. I'm gonna paint job on that. Interior. We got the stars up there. That's hard right there. That's tough right there. Hell yeah, that bitch pretty, boy. That bitch pretty. Oh, show put it up there. Sam, what up, bro? What's going on? I found you there.
We got kicked out, but it was,
Huh?
he about to come up, but he down, so he pulled up.
Oh, damn, I supposed to be going to that truck over there. Huh? That is private property, bro. They suck the man. Yeah. Man got signs up. You gotta go by the bad rules, bro. Yeah, you can't argue with that man. That bitch is wet.
Fuck y'all. Let's hear this can right quick. Let's hear this can.
You got Kevin here.
Go break it up.
What up?
I don't even see why you cranking up the truck anyway.
Bro, say he got Kev in it. Pop the hood, bro. Pop the hood. Let's see something. Pop the hood.
On the hood.
Yeah.
Ain't that the hood?
Come on, pop the hood. This the one you painted, ain't it? No, this ain't the one. Okay. Go on, stop. Cause they got a cam on it.
Come on, what's the color though?
Okay. Boy, it's tough, man. That bitch sound good, though. That bitch sound good.
So we got about 2 spark plug wires crossing up on that thing.
That what it is?
Yeah, ain't no cam in it.
Come on, bro. Ain't no cam.
Spark plug wire band, man.
Real talk. Well, that shit hard, though. They got that bitch squatted good, yo.
It's quiet, guys. My shit back now, fuck that. Nah. Shit fresh. Never been frozen. I feel that shit, man.
No, it's
You scared as hell. You scared as hell. It'll be like with sandpaper, so I ain't gonna lie, but that shit feel funny as hell.
Got the head on that bitch. Yeah, that bitch big. big.
Which one you catch them on? This white one right here? And they been laid down. Yeah. What you use? Brim?
They just caught one, just put it on the whole
Hey, I seen on TikTok, they say you can use Kool-Aid.
That shit don't work.
It'll work for blues.
Yeah, how about saying you get a mix with that? I done tried all that shit.
You gotta use some fucking live bait.
That's what they say though. That you gotta do your research on what they're eating in that motherfucker where you fishing it. That's what they eat every day. They want that.
Yep.
All this new shit we be using, it's like they don't really know what that is. Right. But that down, the shit that they getting big off every day, that's what they chase
I
the
ain't
most.
picking that bitch up.
They know.
That's what you look like. That's what you look like, catfish, bro. That bitch moving, bro. That bitch moving. That bitch flipped and said, "Hey, Jace."
He just flipped over.
Yeah, he said, "Hey, Jace."
That joke be
Huh?
I'm just spawning you.
I ain't playing no battlefish.
They can move us on down far.
Huh? You want that shit on me?
You know what I'm saying? Put a goddamn nail through his head, get a fly.
Shit stink too.
I bet she'll be good as hell, be cleaning motherfucker out.
Hmm? I got his shit hard though. It's so hard right here.
I got somebody with me there, ain't in a minute. Yeah, I did. Sit on there about 11 o'clock, man. You can see it out. I ain't made it that far yet. It's coming though. That night fish shit be hitting.
I just hate that.
Yeah, I'm about to say
Bald head. What you about to get?
Down number 4.
Number 4. What's number 4?
Cheesy bacon Sunday steak. Look good.
Look
good.
You look good.
Yeah.
You ready to eat, huh? You talking it look good. Why you keep looking at it like that? You ready to order that bitch then? Why you don't get the let me see.
Get that.
You can get that. You should get the Super Sonic. My boy pulling that boat.
What can I get started for you?
Let me get that large number 4 with Dr. Pepper.
Are you from everything that comes on a burger?
Yes.
And what's your side item?
French fries.
Fresh
All right,
fried
and what else
Kool-Aid.
for you?
That'll be it.
Fresh fried
Your
iced
food will
tea.
be $12.27. My pleasure serving you. Have a wonderful night.
You too.
Thank you.
Alright, there. Come through the pipe.